In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sidebar in Squarespace 7.1 using Fluid Engine. To get started, open your page editor in Chrome and click Edit so you can access the design layout controls and work directly on the page canvas. You'll be making these changes inside the visual editor where you can move blocks around and shape the layout manually. Before you begin, it's important to understand one key detail about Squarespace 7.1. Fluid Engine templates do not include the older classic built-in sidebar options that some earlier layouts had automatically. That means if you want a sidebar style design, you'll need to build it yourself inside the grid system. The good news is that it's very flexible and fairly straightforward once you know the process. Next, open your main blog landing page, or if you prefer, select an individual blog post layout to work on. Either option works depending on where you want this sidebar style structure to appear. Once you're in the correct page area, focus on the section or content region where your paragraph blocks or main post content are displayed. Now add a standard spacer block to the active grid. This block is what allows you to divide the space and create the appearance of two columns. After placing the spacer, click and drag its handle horizontally toward either the far left edge or the far right edge of the layout boundary. The goal here is to split the canvas into two uneven side-by-side columns rather than two equal sections. This gives you a traditional content and sidebar look. Once that spacer is in place, adjust the boundary handles carefully until your main content area takes up about 70% of the width. That larger area will hold the primary blog content. Leave the remaining 30% as a narrow vertical strip alongside it. This smaller column becomes your sidebar. You don't need the proportions to be mathematically perfect, but keeping them close to a 70-30 split usually creates a balanced, readable layout. With the narrow column ready, start filling that vertical space by stacking smaller content blocks one above another. For example, you can add a search block to help visitors find posts quickly. You can also insert a summary block that links to your articles or categories for easier navigation. If you want a more personal touch, add an image block for an author photo or brand image. Then place text blocks underneath for things